A groundbreaking study of nearly 10,000 adolescents has uncovered striking differences in the brain structures of those who started using substances before age 15 compared to those who did not. Surprisingly, many of these differences existed before any substance use, suggesting that brain structure, alongside genetic and environmental factors, may influence the risk of substance use later in life. Dr. Nora Volkow, director of the National Institute on Drug Abuse, NIDA, explained, "This adds to emerging evidence that brain structure, genetics, and environmental exposures work together to impact a person's risk or resilience to substance use and addiction." The study highlights the importance of understanding these complex factors to develop better prevention strategies and support for vulnerable individuals. Among 3,460 adolescents who initiated substance use before age 15, most, 90.2%, reported trying alcohol. There was significant overlap with nicotine and cannabis use, with 61.5% of nicotine users and 52.4% of cannabis users also reporting alcohol use. Substance use was linked to both global and regional differences in brain structure, particularly in the cortex. The cortex is the brain's outermost layer responsible for critical functions like learning, memory, decision-making, and emotion. Differences were noted in brain volume, cortical thickness, and surface area, with some variations unique to specific substances. Interestingly, 5 global brain structural differences, including greater total brain volume and subcortical volume, were observed in early substance users. Additionally, researchers identified 39 regional brain differences, over half of which involved cortical thickness. To dive deeper, researchers conducted a secondary analysis by excluding participants who had already initiated substance use before their first MRI scans. Even in this refined group, brain structure differences persisted, suggesting that these variations might predate substance use rather than being caused by it. This challenges the assumption that early substance use alone drives changes in brain structure. Instead, it highlights the need for further research into how pre-existing brain differences may increase the risk of substance use. Some brain regions linked to these differences are associated with sensation-seeking and impulsivity. However, the interplay between genetics, environmental factors, and brain structure is complex. For example, another study using the same dataset showed that exposure to pollution influences functional brain connectivity patterns, which may also predict substance use initiation. Dr. Alex Miller, the study's lead author, shared his vision for the future. By leveraging the massive ABCD study database, we can explore the bidirectional relationship between brain structure and substance use. This research could revolutionize how we model addiction and guide prevention strategies. These findings underscore the need for early intervention and tailored prevention strategies. Understanding how brain structure, environment, and genetics interact could lead to more effective ways to address substance use risks and protect future generations. With the help of studies like this, we're getting closer to understanding the science behind addiction and how to stop it before it starts. This video is brought to you by Interesting Facts, where we explore the latest scientific breakthroughs and their impact on our lives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content.